folks, it's me again. Boy, do I have a fun video for you. Yeah, as if I've ever had any fun videos. Come on, these are all boring tool videos. That's all I do is boring shit. No, not really. I got one tool review in this video. Well, maybe I should do two. I don't know. One, two? What do you want, two or one? I'm sitting there talking to myself at 10 o'clock at night. Stay tuned. Look down and... Oh, wait. I gotta just look straight and I'll turn the thing down. Yeah. There you go. Anyway, what I got this. This is a... I don't know what kind of... This is a VISEGRIP. Genuine Peterson DeWitt VISEGRIP. Found this on the online thing. Do I remember what it's for? I think it's a chain breaker. That's what I think. It's got a... almost like an aluminum-like finish. I thought it was cool. I can't afford some of the other weird vice grips, but this one I actually won the auction. So yeah, it's got the little thingamajiggy here. Turn it around. Is it screwing or out? I don't know. Does it just push in? This thing moves back and forth here, so I don't know what the hell it does. Do I know how to use this? No. Well, no. Nope. No idea. No clue. Is it a chain breaker, chain buster? I don't know what the hell this does. Anybody have a clue what this does? It's a genuine VISEGRIP. Let me turn the light on here. Genuine VISEGRIP brand. Peterson. See the big front thing? I don't know what this thing does. I should have read this description and maybe memorized it, but it's pretty cool how they lopped the end off and just kind of welded it. See right here? There's a weld here. Looks like a nice juicy peanut butter weld in there, because it's either a peanut butter weld or there's a block in there that kind of shot in. And they basically, if you look at a regular vice grip, which looks like, I mean, not that one, not this one right here. Nope, not even that one. I have a regular brand vice grip. God. Anyway, here, if you look at a regular tiny one here, same thing. Just make the body here and just change the front. Oh, these are a little smaller. But yeah, I thought it was cool. Maybe I'll take it out of the archives one day and actually use it. It's got a double plate here, so it's a little two pieces put together, riveted in 3 spots, riveted over here and then plopped in. I like how they make these, like who designs these things. But then again, I think Peterson vice grips have been around for quite a while from what I hear. I don't know why this thing turns round and round. I don't know. No idea. Don't know what it does. But this moves. Kind of unique. I thought it was cool. Anybody out there have one of these? If you do, kind of let me know what the hell this thing does. I think it's a chain breaker. I think. I'm not too certain. So yeah. I will, here, I'm going to put this up here. I will probably go back online and check this out. And I'll put the proper label in the title of the video. But this is like, push this. It's kind of cool. Looks kind of, I guess, well, maybe put this on here so you can just hang it on the wall. See, it's easier. I don't think so. If you look on eBay, there's a few other vice grips, like the one I swear I can't afford. There's one with the big giant locking clamp. That's always like 80 bucks. There's the one for the drill press that goes on there. That one's ridiculous. It's always $49 or higher. There's another one. Oh, the one with the charade knife on it. That's always 100 bucks. I'm not buying that one unless I see it cheaper. The vintage ones, I think 1907. I don't even know if it's true or not. That's what it said on the frickin' listing. It was kind of a weird old. You can tell it was a vice grip. Probably one of the first ones. That was really old and cool. And I think I forgot to keep watching the auction. That probably went through the roof. The regular Peterson vice grips, there's always a ton of them. There's always a ton of vice grips. But there's about 5, I mean, obviously there's probably about 100 weird ones. Oh, and I don't have the ones that are for refrigeration. I don't have any of those. There's like 50 bucks every time I see them. And then there's another one that has 2 little round things. It's a big block, and I think it's for crimping pipe or something. I don't have one of those either. So eventually I'll pick them all off. And I'll also pick up some of the other stuff. So stay tuned. I will show the world all the vice grips I could possibly humanly acquire And if you have anybody else has any weird vice grips, like I have one that's they're all made to hang up by the little bolt here, and it's got 2 flat bars on it. When I bought them, the guy had it. The dude had like I should have bought them. I think they were $8 each. He had an entire 50-gallon drum full of them. And I was like, what the hell are they for? He said, dry cleaners. They used to put them hang them on the rack and down, and it had the 2 bars would hold onto it and would hold the clothes. It was pretty neat. But who buys like 200 pairs of vice grips for dry cleaners? Would be, you would think it'd be cheaper to buy coat hangers. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe coat hangers were cheaper. Maybe coat hangers were more expensive than vice grips. Who knows? Or the vice grips were cheaper, or whatever. Blah blah blah. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you stick around the channel, I'm always doing work on stuff. Like I'm still doing. I don't know. By the time I finish this, this video might be already. This might be finished by the time this video's done. So stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and all. The sweatshirt will be retired because it's getting warmer out, and I'll have Carhartt shirts on. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click buttons, whatever. Smash your TV, whatever you want to do.